the 17th of June 2026. What I'm going to show here, I have been accused of brand bashing, meaning bashing a brand to promote another brand. So the test that the Manticore, the Minelab Manticore, struggles on, unless you're running an upper limit of 0, which allows in the ground. That same test we're going to have the Vanquish 540 and the Knox 900, and we'll see how that goes. I believe in what I'm saying, full transparency on this channel, no tricks, no brand bashing, no promoting one detector making another detector look bad. Everything I put on this channel is the 100% truth. A lot of people do know that, but maybe it's the newcomers that don't understand what my channel's all about and what I'm all about. My channel's there not to make money, but to educate and to have a portfolio of information to help fellow detectorists. That is the main point of my channel. I research, so all the information I get, I want other people to know and hopefully to learn or open their eyes, especially ground balance. There's so many people, not a lot of people, hit on ground balance on YouTube. You have a look for ground balance on YouTube. A lot of people don't take it on. I took it on head on. I tested ground balance, I messed with ground balance, I've researched it with manufacturers, online, in forums. I've got all that information and I bring it to the channel by going out detecting, etc, etc. So yeah, let's see how the Knox 900 and the Vanquish go at hitting this target that the Manticore struggles on. So it's the same environment, we've got EMI. That is neutral ground 2 inches. That is highly mineralized ground 2 inches. That is 100% silver 1911 George V half crown. That's 6 inches of mineralized ground, but not with magnetite. That's got salts, hot rocks, a little bit of iron oxide, but not much. So what we'll do first, we won't have anything under there. Now, like I say, I have got the Minelab hitting this, but you've got to open upper limits to 0, which you dig a lot of iron on that upper limit. So there it is. Sensitivity, knock it back to 11. We're on coin. It's reactive with the ground a little bit there. Could do a ground balance, but we're not going to. You'll see the difference. So let's put the big silver dollar under there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Increase sensitivity. Uh-oh. Would you say that's this in that? Let's go in a different mode. Getting dragged down from true ID, but that's because of the mineralization. But it's coming up with an ID. Now this is a 400, £500 machine. It's hitting it now, like I said, the Manticore is hitting it, but I'll show you I'll show you now what you've got to run. Once you open upper limits, if you put a notch in it, as you open it, you can't close it, so then iron comes in. But we'll go with custom. We'll do custom 1. And we'll go high conductors. Just come in there. All-terrain. It's actually not better than it ever has. So what custom would you have to run? Oh, that's a custom preset of 0. So let's custom preset of 1. Go. Now could you run that in a field? I don't think so. Custom preset of 2. Nothing. Custom preset of 0. So no upper limits. Hits it. So we can hit it, but you've got to have your upper limits wide open. Right. Now it has got a smaller ground ratio to target ratio. Ground ratio will be a bit lower with this smaller coil. Uh-oh. I'll just turn the detector on. I haven't messed about with it. It is struggling, and that is probably because FE at 3. Let's do FE at 1. FE at 2. Let's go any other modes. Part 2. Uh-oh. Sorry for being cocky, but I'm just proving to the people that say I'm brand bashing. I've got 2 Minelab machines hitting this target without having to open up to stupid settings. You know what? I'm sick of being right, mate. It's fucking painful. It's fucking painful being right all the fucking time on my channel when I'm trying to show something and people are like, you don't know what you're doing, you're brand bashing, you're doing it for views, you're doing it for views. I do it for none of that. I want to show clarity to what's going on in the metal detecting industry. If something's not working, it's not right. It needs rectifying on an updatable £1,800 machine. It needs updating, unless trading standards will be getting in contact with. Trading standards would have a field day with the Manticore, because it's supposed to be the top end detector in the Minelab range, and you've got a £400 machine beating it on this test. So yeah, I'm smug as fuck because I've had nothing but shit off people on my channel. I've had a lot of praise. I've had a lot of praise off the people that do know. But the newcomers, if you're here and you just don't understand what I'm about, then fuck off, or else I'll just ban you. So yeah, all the information is going over to Minelab. Now I have got another test coming, the next test, and I'm hoping to God that the Manticore performs well in it, because I'm going to create some medium and mild soil that is more like my permissions, and I want to be confident that the Manticore is going to perform well on it, because at the moment I'm picking the Versa. There, I'm not brand bashing, am I? Because I've just shown them detectors. But the Versa is performing a lot better in mineralized ground, or the Vanquish, or the triple score, or the Knox 900 over the Manticore that I've just paid £1,800 for. So I'm hoping that it's going to hit this target a lot better on the next test, because at the moment in highly mineralized ground you might as well be shaking a stick with a plate on the end, because it's not getting anywhere. You've got to remember, this is how simple metal detecting is. There's metal in the ground and you're using a metal detecting device. That is how easy it is. It does what it says on the tin. It goes on a land so much. Most detectors, if you've got good land, will find good stuff. If you've got land like mine, even an £800 detector will find stuff that a £600 detector will find. That's how simple it is. It's a metal detecting device. It detects metal in the ground and then you dig it. It won't tell you if it's a good item or a bad item. It just tells you about the conductivity of it. A lot of stuff comes up in the UK, can come up the same as rubbish, but could be 1,000 years old and silver or gold. Same with all machines with like rings, ring pulls, rings, very similar. One where this woman, she had great land. She was going out with a detector and she was pulling up 5 or 6 hammers every time she goes out. Absolutely stonking ploughed land. Unreal. She probably finds something on there with a £250 detector. Anyway, got the Deus 2. Gone out with the Deus 2. Found the same amount of hammers as they did with the analog machine. And says, oh, there's nothing wrong with the Deus 2. Look what I found. Now, she could have gone out with a £200 machine or a £300 machine and still found them hammers because of the land. You can put a detector on a great piece of land and it'll look absolutely unreal. Absolutely unreal. You can put a detector on a really shit piece of land and it'll look shit. Well, this is for you people that are just going to get into metal detecting. Don't fall for thinking that the better the machine, the better stuff you will find, because that is not how it works at all. If it's in the ground and you've got a metal detecting device that's half decent, you know, Simplex, Ultra, Manticore, going at the top end, Deus 2, they will all find stuff in the ground. It's all bullshit. Yeah, it's as good as the land. If you swing over it, you'll find it. You know, I mean, I'm not talking about the cheap detectors, I'm talking decent make detectors. You will find it. There is some real situations where a more expensive detector will pull stuff out where a cheaper detector won't, but not in many places. Not in a lot of places in the UK. In the UK, most detectors will find stuff. So save your money. Don't get a Manticore. To be honest, you don't really need it. Get some at 400 or 500 quid and you'll find plenty. If you've got the good land, you'll find really good stuff. If you haven't got the good land, it doesn't matter. If you've got a cheap detector or an expensive detector, you'll only find what's in that land.